Hi everyone, we're back to do some more Heggerty exercises today. We're going to start with rhyming just like we always do. However, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to say the first two words, then you're going to repeat the words, then you're going to give me a thumbs up if they rhyme or a thumbs down if they do not rhyme. Here we go. Tap, map. Those rhyme. Big, wig. Those rhyme also. Yes, me. Those do not rhyme. Tag, bag. Those rhyme as well. High, go. Not rhyming. Hut, home. Not rhyming. My, you. Not rhyming. Not, hot. Rhyming. See, two. Not rhyming. Get, met. Rhyming. Good job. All right, now I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to listen for the beginning sound that we hear. Okay, here we go. Cake. K. Fish. F. Head. H. Key. K. Meat. Pizza. P. Red. R. 10. T. Wind. W. 0. Z. Good job. Okay, let's blend some words. I'm gonna say the two smaller words. You're gonna repeat them, and then we'll clap them together to make a compound word. Here we go. Corn, bread. Cornbread. Birth, place. Birthplace. Hand, shake. Handshake. Sea, shore. Seashore. Book, case. Bookcase. Fire, wood. Firewood. House, work. Housework. Sun, flower. Sunflower. Life, guard. Lifeguard. News, man. Newsman. Nice job. Okay. Now we're going to say words and we're going to listen for the ending sound. Just like we've been practicing these last few weeks. Here we go. Bus. Let. T. 5. Box. X. Buzz. Z. Robe. B. Maid. D. Life. F. Tug. G. Cake. K. Awesome. Now we're going to do some word segmenting. So I'll say the word, you will repeat the word, then we will break it into the smaller parts. Here we go. Sunglasses. sun, glasses. Lifesaver, life, saver. Treehouse, tree, house. Rosebush, rose, bush. Sidewalk, side, walk. Nightgown, night, gown. Weekend, week, end. Drumstick, drum, stick. Sunlight, sun, light. Railroad, rail, road. Good work. Okay, so now we're going to do word substitution. We're going to start with substituting the ending part of the word, okay? So we're going to swap out the ending part of the word. Here we go. The word is headphones. Change phones to ache. Headache. The word is snowman. Change man to ball. Snowball. The word is playroom. Change room to ground. Playground. The word is fireplace. Change place to wood. Firewood. The word is doorknob. Change knob to bell. Doorbell. Good work. Now we are going to do some word adding. So I will give you the first part and we will add a new word to the end. Here we go. The word is snow. Add ball to the end. Snowball. The word is play. Add house to the end. Playhouse. The word is every. Add body to the end. Everybody. The word is head. Add phones to the end. Headphones. Excuse me. The word is some. Add one to the end. Someone. Good work. Okay, now we're going to delete a part of the word to see what we have left. Here we go. The word is everywhere. Without the where, the word is every. The word is headache. Without ache, the word is head. The word is sometime. Without the time, the word is some. The word is snowman. Without man, the word is snow. The word is plaything. Without thing, the word is play. Good work. Okay, last exercise, time to count how many words are in a sentence. Here we go. I love books. That was 3. I can clap my hands. That was 5. I try hard at school. That was 5, and you all have been trying very hard. Thank you. Do your ears help you learn? Six words in that one. I like to sing songs. Five words. I am smart. That's 3. Do you like books? That was 4. Last one. I share with my friend. And that was 5. Great job today. Thanks for working hard.